Hello creative minds, want to make your design stand out with a transparent background in Adobe Express? Let me show you how. Let's go. First, open Adobe Express and create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are on the editing screen, look for the background option in the left toolbar. Tap on background and select transparent. Now you'll see a checkered pattern indicating a transparent background. If you are working with a graphic or image, make sure the image itself doesn't have a solid background before you save. When you are done, save your design as a PNG file to keep the transparency intact. Transparent backgrounds are perfect for creating logos, overlays, or custom stickers. If the transparency doesn't work, ensure you are saving as PNG, not JPG. Have you ever used transparent background in your designs? Share your project in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.